The dragon and the elephant must come together. That was the message from Chinese President Xi Jinping to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a high-stakes bilateral on the sidelines of the SCO summit in Tianjin. Xi recalled last year's Kazan meeting as the turning point, the reset moment for China-India ties. Now, with diplomacy gaining ground, he urged both nations, two ancient civilizations, two population giants, two pillars of the global south, to rise above rivalry and embrace partnership. Xi called for strategic vision, not short-term suspicion, mutual trust, not threats. And yes, a dancing of the dragon and the elephant as the right path forward.
It is a great pleasure to meet you again, Mr. Prime Minister. I welcome you to China for the SCO summit. Last year, we had a successful meeting in Kazan. The world is going towards transformation. China and India are two of the most civilizational countries. We are the world's two most populous countries and part of the global south. It is vital to be friends, a good neighbor, and the dragon and the elephant to come together.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi reaffirmed that India-China ties are back on a positive track. He pointed to concrete signs, a peaceful border, resumption of direct flights and Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, and a renewed commitment to cooperation. Prime Minister Modi stressed that India and China are not adversaries but partners in progress.
सीमा पर डिसएग्रीमेंट के बाद शांति और स्थिरता का माहौल बना हुआ है। हमारे स्पेशल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स के बीच बॉर्डर मैनेजमेंट के संबंध में सहमति बनी। कैलाश मानसरोवर यात्रा फिर से शुरू की।
Even Chinese media is calling this meeting a potential breakthrough, a turning point in India-China ties.
हम बहुत खुशी से ये देख रहे हैं जिन भारत हम दोनों दो पड़ोसी देश है ना हम तो इस दुनिया के सबसे बड़े विकासशील देश भी है और इस दुनिया के तो उभरती अर्थव्यवस्थाएं भी है तो अगर हम दोनों एक साथ हाथ मिलकर काम करते हैं तो जरूर बहुत सबसे मजबूती शक्ति होगी.
As the world watches a shifting global order, both leaders agreed this relationship must be driven by long-term purpose, not border headlines. Could Tianjin be the breakthrough?
There is gradual incremental progress in the relationship, but it can move forward only and only if and when there is peace and tranquility that's maintained along the line of actual control. Will it mean restoration of status quo ante before the Galwan operations is something that we need to keep an eye on. Gaurav Sawant in Tianjin, China for India Today.